Microscope Photography. Looking for great microscope photography? One that will capture students' imagination and attention?
Hi, this is Daniel with the SmartMicroScope Optix. Our team has created state-of-the-art microscope products to help teach your students in an easier, more streamlined way. The SmartMicroScope Optix marries our knowledge of microscopy with our experience in the classroom, making this microscope camera something that every science teacher must have. The SmartMicroScope Optix is a camera that fits on a traditional microscope. The teacher can then project the images from the microscope so that the entire classroom can see, learn, and discuss. There's no software, meaning you just plug it in and begin teaching. We can't wait for you to see how the Optix will make classroom time more impactful and beneficial for you and your students. The SmartMicroScope Optix pairs perfectly with Chromebooks, PCs, and Macs with advanced features and no software to install. Contact us to request a quote for your school today.
Imagination is the key to unlocking learner confidence. Inject endless imagination into your classroom. Engage your class with an immersive visual learning experience. Maximize class time and engage students with collaborative learning.